Why T-Rex Racing is the best frame sliders? Well, it's simple. As you can see, it's no cut, meaning you do not have to cut the fairings to install them. They come with all the brackets and adapters and bolts, whatever's necessary to make it work. It looks really nice, almost like factory. But not only that, after about 3-4 years of having them, this side it came loose and it came off. I don't know where it went.
Bruh.
It's somewhere in the world outside. So what I did was I went on their website and you can get replacement parts, which is really cool. This way, if you ever lose anything like I did, or if you drop the bike and you damage it, you scratch it, you just go there and get a replacement part. Nice thing, it comes with the bolt. I was kind of worried, I wasn't sure if it did. I sent them an email and asked them, and quickly they responded to me. And yes, it does come with the bolt. And I'm gonna use plenty of Loctite so I don't lose this puppy again. And the cool thing is, if you want to get a different color, you can do that. It's an option. Alright, there you have it. It's like nothing ever happened.